I don't know if you're anything like me, but all my social media feeds, I have a lot of biohackers, scientists, doctors, and really industry leaders in the health and wellness space. And I've started to notice a trend of a lot of them endorsing this brand right here, and it's called BIOptimizers. I'm gonna go over really why. Why is there such a trend of so many people jumping on the BIOptimizers bandwagon? What are some of the best supplements? What are some of the worst supplements? And is BIOptimizers a company that you should probably include in your daily nutritional regimen? Well, let's jump in. For me to get a better understanding of who BIOptimizers really is, I had to jump onto their website and do a little bit of my own research. You know, there's this place called YouTube where there's a lot of great information out there, and you have to sift through. There's some really good stuff and there's some not so great stuff, but you can find a lot of information online. Then it led me down the rabbit hole. I found a lot more information, and I found that BIOptimizers was founded in 2004 by two friends who were gym rats. And they weren't always gym rats. As a matter of fact, the founder and the creator of BIOptimizers, Wade, unfortunately watched his sister pass away from cancer at only 23 years old. And it was a major heartbreak, but it was also a major shell shock in his life, causing him to focus on his health and realize that your health is the #1 asset you have in your life. So he started to focus on his health, and he really was diving into everything he could with nutrition. And he realized that there was a lot of supplements out there that touted these wonderful benefits, but not a lot of them were actually bioavailable. And most of them just kind of got peed out. There's a lot of things that we take on a daily basis as far as supplements go that really don't even benefit our bodies. We spend money on them, we take them, and they don't even do anything positive for us. And one of the things that I realized really fast is that almost all of BIOptimizer's supplement lineup has to do with optimizing your gut. Because if you do any kind of studying on your gut is really like the powerhouse to your whole body. If your gut is healthy, your body can absorb more of the nutrients that you are consuming. If your gut is not, well, there's a lot of problems that can come from that. So most of the supplements I found that BIOptimizers offers actually helps to focus on optimizing the gut. And a few of their supplements that they offer that are really, really good for gut health, and really, I would say most people should probably include in their daily regimen. One is this P3OM, which actually has its own patent. And it's a proteolytic probiotic. That's really a fancy way of saying it helps your digestive system, your gut, and your immune health overall. Now they have so many different supplements. I don't want to go over all of the different ones on this video, but one of the things I absolutely love is that the founder has a policy in place saying if we can't be the best in this one segment, and I'm talking about all of them, then we don't even want to be in it. Like they literally invest and they put their money where their mouth is. And I think that's why a lot of people are leaning towards them, is because not just a supplement that you take and it helps with athletic performance and sleep and all this stuff. It's something that you take to help optimize your digestive system like we talked about, which will in turn optimize your sleep, which will in turn optimize your recovery, which will in turn optimize your athletic performance. And I think a lot of people are starting to understand the importance of your gut health and the fact that a lot of the foods that we consume on a daily basis, unfortunately, are not quality, nutrient-rich foods anymore. They used to be back in the day, I'm sure, but we've destroyed the soil here in the United States of America. A lot of people understand that. We eat a ton of processed foods, a ton of seed oils that are made in factories, and a lot of that takes a massive toll on our gut, starting from a really, really young age. And that's one of the things that I really like about BIOptimizers is that they're focused on getting the highest quality of every segment they're in and making sure that they're the best. But let's jump into a couple more of the supplements that I think are worth mentioning in this video. This next one is called HCL Breakthrough. And what this is it's a natural source of beet-derived hydrochloric acid that may help increase stomach acid or hydrochloric acid to support digestion and detoxification. A few things to note about this supplement is it will help to restore healthy stomach acid levels, but unfortunately our stomachs are typically so out of whack that we have a really hard time absorbing all of the nutrients that we're consuming on a daily basis. So if you take really healthy vitamins or you eat a really healthy diet, it might benefit you to try HCL Breakthrough as well. So we're talking about gut health, and this last one is probably the #1 seller from what I'm seeing on their website. It's going crazy, and that's their Masszymes. Their Masszymes helps increase your absorption of key amino acids and certain vitamins. You'll experience better digestion and gut health, increase your energy levels, and enhance your mental clarity and your focus. And this is something you should take with your meals or your protein shakes. And once again, there's a lot of science behind the formulas in each of these supplements. I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor, but what I'm seeing is so many people are taking BIOptimizers, and there's probably a reason. Now, as you see, I have these supplements, and I reached out to BIOptimizers and said, hey, what's the deal? Why are so many people buying your products? And they actually sent me some products to try, and I've been trying them for a few months now. That's why I made the video on Magnesium Breakthrough, and I'm gonna continue making some videos as I start to feel the difference. But I can say this, there's two supplements that I've been taking religiously, my wife as well, that has made a massive difference in our sleep and our recovery. And the first one is Magnesium Breakthrough. Magnesium Breakthrough, I have a full video on this. I'm gonna post it at the end of this video. I'm gonna have it there because I really think it's something worth watching. But Magnesium Breakthrough is the best magnesium supplement for sleep. They've got it studied and tested by so many people. It promotes a balanced stress response. You can feel relaxed, you feel at peace, you fall asleep faster and deeper. It's a key nutrient for healthy immune responses. It provides essential electrolytes, which help maintain your healthy rhythms while you're sleeping. And then it provides key building blocks for strong bones. Magnesium at its source, a lot of people have videos about magnesium. There is a lot of different varieties of magnesium that you absolutely need to take. And this has all of the bioavailable amounts of magnesium that you should be taking on a regular basis and you're more than likely deficient in. So I've been taking this, my wife's been taking this, and I would recommend you probably take this as well. But there's another supplement that we've been taking for sleep, and it's called Sleep Breakthrough. Now, I've been recommending this product because I'm one of those people who typically does fall asleep pretty fast. I've been taking this and I've been falling asleep even faster than I normally do. And that's not me just saying it. I actually sleep on the 8 Sleep mattress pod, and it tells me all my metrics. And all my metrics, when I'm sleeping in that bed, I do have 4 kids and some of them are younger and want me to sleep with them. So I don't get all of my metrics perfectly. Since I've been taking this, my sleep and my recovery and my scores have improved like crazy. And I gotta say, it's gotta be this. There's a lot of other stuff that I take and I do on a regular basis. Like I do barefoot grounding, I get morning sunlight, I do the sauna, I do cold plunging, I work out. So I try to live a very healthy lifestyle. But since I've included Sleep Breakthrough, not only does it taste great, but I've been falling asleep in minutes. And if you struggle with sleep, I highly encourage you, order yourself a bottle of Sleep Breakthrough and Magnesium Breakthrough so that you can at least try it. I'm actually really curious. And the cool thing is, one of the things I really like is they have a 365-day money-back guarantee. So if you order a bunch of their stuff and you try it and you don't like it, in 365 days you can return it and get your money back. Like, there's a lot of different supplement companies out there you can gladly try. Some stuff you can buy on Amazon. I think you can even get this on Amazon, but don't. I have a discount code you should definitely use if you do buy. I would definitely recommend, if you struggle with sleeping, try this and let me know in the comments below. It could be a month later, a week later, a day later, what your thoughts are, because I'm actually really curious, if you struggle with sleep and you try this, how is it going to affect your sleep? And that's just a few of the supplements that I have and that I've been experimenting with and that I've been taking, because I've seen a lot of other people taking them as well. So it comes down to this. There's a lot of supplements that you should take, right? There's a lot of supplements you can take. There's a lot of options out there. And I take a lot of different supplements too. But supplements are supposed to do just that. They're supposed to supplement what you're not getting. And unfortunately, there's a lot of nutrients that our bodies would love to have, but we just don't get in our daily diets. Unfortunately, in the food that we eat on a regular basis, we don't get the nutrients that our bodies really need to optimize our performance, our recovery, our sleep. And unfortunately, that's where supplements come in. And there's so many different varieties out there. I would say, let's start with the gut. And I think that that's why a lot of biohackers, a lot of sports athletes, doctors, scientists, like we talked about at the beginning of this video, are endorsing BIOptimizers. One, they've been around since 2004. They've got 2 extremely involved founders who are out there giving talks, actually educating people and jumping in with both feet to try to make sure that their products are the absolute best with the best quality. I would encourage you to visit their website. I'll post a link in the description below. It's dmjr.co/bio. There's a lot of great information on their website. They have great resources. They have some studies. They actually have links to the people who they have involved in their formulation. You don't see that on most supplement sites, unfortunately. Like, a lot of supplements get their supplements from the same place and they white label them, and that's great. And that's why I like to vet a lot of these supplement companies before I endorse them or tell anybody to try them. With BIOptimizers, it's really impressive that they put so much information out there. They almost want people to be like over-informed on their brands. I'm impressed with that because you don't see that a lot. So once again, I would encourage you to visit their website, play around on it, check out all the other supplements that they have, because they have stuff that will help you with your brain, your memory, and your focus. They have collagen, they have protein, they have plant-based protein. They have a lot of different things that you might want to include in your daily diet, depending on what you feel isn't optimized right now. So once again, visit that site. It's dmjr.co/bio, and you can use my discount code, which is DMAUSJR, DMOS Jr., also my Instagram handle if you want to follow me there. And that'll save you, I think it's 20%. It was a pretty good discount from what they told me. So Make sure you check that out. Use that discount code. It'll save you some money. I'll have it linked down below. And I'm curious, is there a supplement out there that you just absolutely swear by? Because the cool thing about what I get to do, I get to review a lot of different products and talk about a lot of different products on my channel. That's what you'll get from me. If there's something that you're like, David, you are missing the boat, you need to try this, post down in the comments below and let me know. I'd love to look into that and check it out. If you have any questions that I didn't really go over in this video, I just wanted to put some information out there on BIOptimizers because there's not a lot, and they have a lot of great stuff going on, and there's a lot of great people that are getting behind this company and have been behind this company for many years, and I'm sure for many years to come. So if you have any questions though, pop them down in the comments below. Make sure you like this video so other people can see it. That's how YouTube can tell that this video didn't suck. Also share it with a friend if you think it can benefit them, and if you're feeling like it, subscribe to the channel as well. And if you haven't seen the video where I talk about the Magnesium Breakthrough supplement, and I actually really went deep down the rabbit hole of learning about magnesium, I'm gonna put that video right here. I want you to just go ahead and click it and check it out. Even if you've already watched it, watch it again. It'll really inspire you to jump on the Magnesium Breakthrough bandwagon, just like I have and many others have. So that'll be right here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.